Hello you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kylina or Kai if you guys are new here. Today I'm going to be doing this Pride makeup look since it's Pride month. So happy Pride month everybody. I just came back from Hawaii maybe like 2.5 weeks ago, so I feel like I got pretty tan. I got this like cute Honolulu Stissy shirt that I waited in line for about 2.5 hours, but you know, it was all worth it. And the back is pretty nice too. I can turn around to show you guys. Also, I tried a new hairstyle today. I've been trying to get into doing my hair, but my hair is so like thin and curly and like I just don't know how to. My lips are so chapped. My hair is just so thin and curly and I'm just like, I don't really know how to style it, but this is what I did today. I think it's pretty cute. I was working on my iPad last night trying to come up with some different looks because I completely forgot that I used this thing. We have this beautiful thing here on my iPad mini. It's so old and dirty. I'm pretty sure someone has probably already done a look like this before, but I'm gonna do it in my own version and my own way because this is what I came up with. So this is what I drew here. All right, keep this picture in your head. I already prepped my skin and my face. I have my foundation, my concealer on. I prepped my eyes, and so I think we're just going to go ahead and start. So I'm going to be using my old palettes because we do not waste money here, and it's not hitting pan. I'm not going to keep buying more palettes. There are certain palettes that I use for my colorful looks, so obviously we're going to go in with the old school Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette. And then I'm also going to be using, don't judge me, these palettes are dirty, the 35i Icy Fantasy Morphe palette for our lighter shades. And you can use whatever, and let me just show you what it looks like. These are like the more pastel colors. This one is a little rough looking because the yellow eyeshadow got everywhere. But this one has all of the colorful shades that we'll be needing. So first I'm going to be using the Benefit Orange Butterfly blush. I feel like that was a handful to say, but anyways, it's a really pretty blush that you can use during the summertime. There's me thinking that I put too much, but it's okay because we're going to blend it all in. And then next I'll be using the shade Mad from the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette. It is an eyeshadow, so I'm only putting a little bit to blend in with the orange. Now I'm going to be using the yellow shade called Manchester from the same palette, and it is kind of pigmented, so I would suggest blending it all out together. Now I'm going to be using the Botanic Panic palette by MAC just to add in some of those lighter yellow and green shades. So I'm taking the shade Shmoney by the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette, and I'm kind of just focusing that on the crease, also using those lighter shades from the Botanic Panic palette. And now I'm going in with a lighter shade of blue from the 35i Icy Fantasy palette by Morphe. I'm just blending that all in the crease. And then I'm going in with the purple shade. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a lilac purple. And I think that one might have been Miles High from the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette. And then I'll also be going in on the corners with the shade Morgan just to give it some more depth. I'm actually going to be using the shade called Blue Monday from the Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star. And then I'm also taking a lighter shade of pink from the James Charles palette. I don't know what the names are because it's not written on them, and of course I did throw away the packaging. So that's the shade that I was talking about. Okay. So I'm just going to be blending those all in on the inner corner. Now I'm adding the Fenty, I think it's the Diamond, I don't know what the name is, but the Fenty Diamond highlighter. I got a little bit in my eye. Next, I'll be going in with the Lemonhead LA Adult Film Glitter. This one is so good. They use this one in Euphoria. I don't think this exact one. I think the one that they use is Houdini. And now I'm just adding on some black eyeshadow as my liner. I did use the Rare Beauty liquid liner on the inner corner and let it dry for a bit. And there's me singing to Billie Eilish. And now I'm going in with some MAC Stack mascara, adding on some lashes from Hawaii. I don't know the names of these lashes. Now I'm going in with the Patrick Star Turn Up the Bass powdered foundation just to kind of contour that blush a little bit. And next I'm going in with the Cork lip liner from MAC. This is my all-time favorite lip liner. Now I'm going to go in with the Fresh Brew lipstick by MAC Cosmetics. Unfortunately, they don't make this anymore, but I believe they sell it in the Pro palette still, which is why I'm using an applicator. Now I'm going in with a clear gloss from Bath & Body Works. It was $8. I mean, it's not sticky at all. So I think this is the finished. I think this is the finished look here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little pride look that I did today. I'm not going anywhere. I have my maintenance person coming at 2:30 to fix my light switch, and I don't want to look crazy, so I'm going to take it all off before they get here. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you guys are going to try this look out. If you're not, that's okay. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.